it's Tieesha and I'm here to review the Neck Hammock. I bought this hammock on Amazon after hearing some really great things about it. This comes and it fits all in that lovely case right there, and it comes with an eye mask, instructions, the hammock itself, padded ears and neck support, 2 different size straps, a bungee cord. Using the easy to follow instructions, I began to connect all the pieces together. The doorknob strap, I used the smallest one because my doors are pretty short for short people. It's not tall person friendly. Ensure that your door is secure. I made a slight modification when I noticed that even the smallest strap was still too long for my doorknobs. And make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel for other great videos and more upcoming product reviews. Also, with this, make sure you put a sign if you have other people in your home to not open the door and hit you in the head as you're using the neck hammock. And so I attached the bungee cords to the hammock itself, and I laid on top of a yoga mat as shown, and details on how you can order one for yourself will be in the description box. And I went ahead and just rest my head in the hammock, and I slid down so that I could have more of, I don't know what to call it, but more resistance so that my spine can have the tension relieved. And immediately within the first few minutes, I noticed a weight was lifted off my shoulders, literally. And I'm not just talking about my heavy head, okay? I grew into my head. I noticed that my tension on my shoulders was immediately relieved, and my shoulders started to recover from a day of slouching and bad posture. I highly recommend this neck hammock. I ordered it from Amazon. The link will be in the description. Thank you for watching this video, and also subscribe.